My dad is dropping me into the my school because it's raining.
You want me to get your tea?
Okay.
You grab your tea first.
My school's closer than yours.
Wow. Raining.
I gotta go to the kid's house.
Aw.
Mostly
Driving. Yeah.
only
Show you want yours.
Yeah, that's it. The app says, and
The
the M says, and then the weird blob guy. I forgot.
Wow, the M says
Oh, it doesn't.
first you accidentally got apple and orange. Now you say the M says
Ah, why is it so white?
because it's bright.
But there I don't see.
Right, there's no didn't see students outside going to school.
I don't know.
They're preparing to go to a
There's
car.
so many students,
Wow.
but I don't see them going to the school.
Because maybe they don't have they need to get cover or something. Like a car.
Let me go down.
Woohoo!
Get
Goodbye.
open.
Go hurry up! Wow. Now it's my turn to go to school. Wee. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, la la. Tumble set pizza. Almost there. Woohoo!